the importance of familia and friends.
Family in Sicily is very important.
Yes.
It's a very tight knit,
Yes.
and the close relation goes not only with the son, daughters, but also with the nephews, with the grandchild.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we have many
the-
parties that include all those people, yes?
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. And it feels
In
good.
a very large understanding.
Yeah.
Also, friendship is part of the family.
Yes.
You know, in the whole group.
And you've accepted so many people, like the Germans and the people from the Netherlands,
Belgium.
and
Oh, yeah.
a few Canadians.
I've been lucky enough, Ari, because in this area,
Yes.
when we came, was nobody.
Nobody.
The shepherd and the sheep.
That's it.
So we renewed the whole thing. But then Martin came, Kim came,
Yes.
our guests, come and go. But our guests will become part of the family.
Come over here, look. Look, Laura Donna's always cooking. Even while we're making this, we're cooking. But anyway, so sorry. So,
It's okay. It's okay.
so we think.
Even that is a very traditional
I
dish.
know we had it. It's perfect.
You
It's so
already had it
nice
once.
to keep.
Oh, once we had
It's
it.
so nice to keep the traditions going too.
So wait. What you saying, man? We're talking about.
No, we need to work.
Yes, I know.
We're talking.
Yeah, we're talking. But you take the importance of familia. Now, a father keeps things together. I really like that image. But I also think of you sort of as a. Remember the Godfather wedding we had for Andrea?
Oh yeah.
Right, wasn't that fantastic?
Fantastic.
So we're going to do that. But that's so. Orazio is my idea of a Godfather, but not mafia. He encompasses the idea in our Canadian heads, or you too, Joe.
Yes.
Is the idea of a Godfather figure, but not mafia.
But you know something, Harry? The father in a Sicilian family is a reference point.
Yes.
But who actually direct the family is the wife.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah.
Lord Donna has the blessing.
Yes. Yes.
Very matriarchal setup.
Yes.
Although the father is
Yes.
the one that keeps things together.
Yeah.
But when you were growing up as a Sicilian boy
Yeah.
in Reposto,
Your
your father had a business in Uruguay, right?
Yes.
Yes, near Argentina.
Montevideo, yeah, close
So-
to Argentina, between Argentina and Brazil.
Right. So your mother, basically was the Godfather, not mafia, queen, what do you call it? That kept everybody, your family together, no?
Yes.
And the fishermen respected her for being.
My
a
house
woman.
was just in front of the water.
Yeah, but
Where
they-
the marina in Riposto used to be
Yeah.
was a big, beautiful white beach.
Yes.
This time of the year, the fishermen coming with a boat,
Right.
having the anchovy, would go by my mother's house and would say, Signora Tina, do you want some fish? And they'll give, maybe a
Signora
basket.
Tina.
See,
Don't touch your mother's name.
my mother Tina, yeah.
Ah. So this series that we're going to do now, Orazio,
Yes.
on YouTube, we're going to. It's still the Orazio's a Sicilian story,
Sicilian story.
but we're going to call
It's
it.
a Sicilian story, although could be also an American
Yeah,
story.
we will do that.
Because
we will add that into
I
that.
worked for over 27 years for the U.S. Navy
Yes, in the
Yes.
special forces.
and the Special Forces, yes.
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 We want to do a special series on that.
Okay.
Absolutely. Yes.
With limitation, I can.
Yes. You can only say a certain things, right? You can't say too much.
Yeah, I can say too much.